Hello everyone, welcome to engineering classes. Today we will learn about application of integration. So far we have learnt about length of curves and volume of revolution. Now we will study about area of curves. Now before jumping to examples, let's understand some basic things about area of curves. If curve is on x-axis, I mean to say if limit is on x-axis, then how we find area of curve? So we will integrate it from a to b. This is on x-axis, then here this is y. With example I tell you, this is first example. Find area of segment cut off from parabola x square is equal to 8y by line this. Here x has even power, so parabola will be symmetric about y-axis. It means like this. This is the equation of line that cuts parabola. So this is a common region of parabola and a line. Here in this type of question we have to find the area of common region of two curves. So this line cuts parabola, these two x-axis. So how we find these 2 points? So to find value of x-axis, we have to find value of y from any one of these curves and put it in a other equation. Y value comes out to be x square upon 8. So we have to put this y value in this equation. This is how we find the value of x. Here we have to find the value of x because these curves lie on x-axis. If these curves lie on y-axis, then we have to find the value of y. But here these curves lie on x-axis, so we have to find value of x. Here y comes out to be this. Put it in an equation. Here x comes out to be minus 4 and 8. Here it means this point comes out to be minus 4 and this point comes out to be 8. So we can do it like this also. From here we can find value of x and can put it in this equation. From there we can also find the value of x. So it means we have to integrate from minus 4 to 8 dx. We are taking limits of x-axis, so we have to integrate it with respect to axis. Here as mentioned, if curve is on x-axis, we have to take limits, integrate it with respect to x. Here we have to put value of y. I mean to say, here we want function of x. Here to integrate a function with respect to x. So therefore we want function of x. These are two equations. How we can get function of x? We can get function of x if we get value of y, then we can get function of x. Here in this equation also, if we take value of y, then we can get function of x. If curve lies on x-axis, then we have to integrate from a to b on x-axis. So we have to integrate it with respect to x. So for that we have to find value of y so that we can get function of x. Here we found value of y to get function of x. This is a curve. I draw it again. So this is a curve. So equation of this line is, and equation of this curve is. To find area of this part, we have to integrate it from minus 4 to 8. We have to put value of y here so that we can get function of x. So problem is that which value of y we have to put here. So for that we have to find the area of this part. So how we can get area of this part? So for that we have to subtract equation of parabola from equation of line. The value of y from equation of line is x plus 8 by 2 is equal to y. If we take equation of line, then we will get this part, this whole part. If we subtract equation of parabola from equation of line, then we can get area of this part. We have to find area of this part only. So how we can get area of this part? Area of this part we can get if we subtract equation of parabola from equation of line. Then we can get area of this part. If we take equation of line, then we will get this whole part. This whole part. If we subtract equation of parabola from this whole part, then we will get this part. This is a desired part that we want. So for that, limits from -4 to 8. So value of y from equation of line is this, x plus 8 by 2 dx minus. So we have written equation of line. From equation of line we will get this whole part. Now subtract equation of parabola from it. So value of y from equation of parabola is this. Subtract it from -4 to 8, x square plus 8 dx. Now after solving it we will get this desired part. Answer comes out to be, so 36 is the answer. Second question, the area enclosed between the curve y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4y is. Parabola will be symmetric about x axis. This is equation of parabola. Here x is even, so parabola will be symmetric about y axis. Let's make it. This is x square is equal to 4y. So area enclosed here is this. This is a area enclosed. So we have to find value of these points. We have to take value of x or y from one equation and put it in another equation. From one equation, if we put it in another equation, here one correction, this is x raised to power 4 and here x raised to power 3. So x value comes out to be 4. Now we can get value of y from this equation. Value of y comes out to be 4. So x and y value comes out to be 4, 4. So value of this point is 4, 4. So if we take value of x from 0 to 4, so integrate it with respect to x and put value of y here. Value of y means function of x here. So for that I have to subtract this equation from this equation. If I take equation of this area, then I will get this whole part. Y square is equal to 4x. So from here value of x comes out to be, I teach you, if we are taking 0 to 4 on x axis, then we have to put value of y. So if I take this equation, then I will get area of this whole part. If I subtract this equation from this equation, then I will get area of desired part. Then see how we do it. Here value of y from area of this part is y is equal to 4x. It means that y is equal to 2 root x. Write it down. From 0 to 4, integrate with respect to dx. Here we have to put value of y so that we will get function of x, because we are integrating with respect to x. Function of x we will get if we take value of y. So function of x is 2 root x minus, here value of y is x square by 4 is equal to y square by 4 dx. Now solve this. Is equal to 5.33 square units. We can do it with the alternate method. Here we have taken limits of x. If we take limits of y, then we have to put value of x. Now if we do it with the alternate method, on y axis, that is from 0 to 4, then we have to put value of x. So equation of this parabola is y square is equal to 4x, and equation of this parabola is x square is equal to 4y. So if we want to take limits on y axis, that is from 0 to 4, so we have to integrate with respect to dy. So for that we have to take value of x, so that we will get value of fy. So if we are taking limits with respect to y, so for that if we take equation of this part, then we will get this part, this whole part. So for that we have to subtract equation of this parabola from this parabola, so that we can get desired equation. So value of x from this parabola is x is equal to, this is x square is equal to 4y. So equation of x will be 2 root y. Put it here, that is from 0 to 4, 2 root y dy minus, so we have to subtract equation of this parabola from this. So we have taken value of x of this parabola. Now subtract equation of x of this parabola. Equation of x comes out to be y square upon 4 is equal to x. 0 to 4. Now integrate it and you will get same answer. In next video we will solve this question with double integration also. Again answer will come out to be 5.33. The area enclosed between the straight line y is equal to x and parabola y is equal to x in xy plane is, here x has even power, so it will be symmetric about y axis, and y is equal to x. So if x is 1, y is 1, x is 2, y is 2, so it will be a straight line. So here area enclosed here is this, so we have to find value of this point. This is 0, 0. So here we conclude that y is equal to x, so put value of x in place of y. So x value comes out to be 1, so put 1 value of x here to get value of y. So y value also comes out to be 1, 1, 1. This is 1, 1 point. So if we take limits of x from 0 to 1, so we have to put value of y dx. So here equation of this line is y is equal to x, and equation of this parabola is y is equal to x square. Here we are taking limits of x and integrate it with respect to x, so we have to take value of y so that we can get function of x. So if we take equation of this line, we will get this whole area. If we subtract this area of parabola from this equation of line, then we will get this desired area. So equation of this line is y is equal to x, so put value of y, that is x dx minus, here value of y is x square, put it dx 0 to 1, integrate it. So answer comes out to be 1 by 6. So area of this common part is 1 by 6 square units. Similarly, alternate method, if we have to take limits of y, that is from 0 to y, so value of this line is y is equal to x, and value of this parabola is y is equal to x square. So if we take limits from 0 to y on y axis, then it will be 0 to 1, integrate with respect to y. So for that we have to take limits of x, so that we will get function of y. So for that, from this equation of parabola we will get equation of x. If we take equation of x from this parabola, then we will get this whole area. If we subtract equation of line from equation of parabola, then we will get this desired area, that is 0 to 1. Now get value of x from this equation of parabola, that is root x. Now subtract equation of line from this equation of parabola to get equation of this desired part. Equation of this line is, equation of x from this line is y dy 0 to 1. Now integrate it and you will get same result. I am telling you this because you can do it either way. So 1 by 6 is answer. Now another question. The following plot shows a function of y which varies linearly with x. The value of integral is equal to limits from 1 to 2 y dx is. This is EC GATE 2007 mark question. This is dx. It means that this is a limit of x. This is x limit. So here we have to get value of y. So for that you have to find equation of line. So equation of line is y is equal to mx plus c. Here this c means y intercept and this x means slope. You can write it as y is equal to y2 minus 1 x2 minus x1 x plus c. This c means y intercept. So where it intercepts y? It intercepts y at 1. So here 1. So here we have to find slope. So for that this is y, this is 1. It means that this is 1 comma 0 and this is minus 1 comma 0. So from this we can get slope of a line. This point is 0 comma 1 because this is at y. So y is 1, x is 0. Sorry, I make it again. This is like this. This is at 1 and this is at minus 1. It means that this point is minus 1 comma 0 and this point is 0 comma 1. So from this we can get slope. This is y2, this is x2, this is y1, this is x1. So just put it in this and you will get the answer. This is y2 is 1 minus y1 0 comma x2 is 0 minus x1 is minus 1 plus 1. So we will get slope 1. So equation of line comes out to be x plus 1. So put it here. So y value from this graph comes out to be x plus 1. From equation of line this comes out to be x plus 1 1 to 2 dx. Integrate it and you will get answer. This is x square by 2 plus x 1 to 2. This will come out to be 4 plus 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 3 by 2. This will come out to be 5 by 2 which is 2.5. I teach you how to get slope of a line. If graph is given, then how we get equation of a line? That I told you, y is equal to mx plus c. It means that this is y intercept. It means that at which point the line is cutting y. That is, if this is 2, then y intercept is 2. So c comes out to be 2. And slope is y2 minus 1 x2 minus x1. If 2 points are given, here this is 2 and this point is 1. On x-axis this is 1. It means that y is 0. It means that here y is 0 and here x is 0. Sorry, this is 2 and this is x is 0. So we got 2 points. Slope of a line, you can take it either way. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. y2 is this, then 0 minus 2, x2 1 minus 0, then answer comes out to be minus 2. If we take it another way, like if I take it y2 x2 y1 x1, then answer will be similar. Let's see it as this is y2. It means that 2 minus 0. This is x2 means 0 minus 1. Again answer comes out to be minus 2. You can take any one of them is x2 y2 or x1 y1. It will not affect its result. Now you get y intercept, you get slope of a line. From here you can get equation of a line. As equation of a line in this case comes out to be minus 2x plus c is 2. So here you get value of y. And this is also equation of a line, that is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. This is also equation of a line. Slope of a line is similar. This is also equation of a line if we get 2 points, as in this case we get 2 points 0 2 0 2 and 1 0. Then you can do it similar way, like y minus y1 is this 2, as this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. This comes out to be y minus 2. Here y2 is 0, minus 2 minus 1 minus 2, and x is x minus x1 is 0, 0. So this comes out to be y minus 2, and you can write it as minus 2 plus 2. These both are similar. Here we take minus 1 that side and we call it C, that we call y-intercept. Now I hope you are clear with equation of a line. Now another question, that is the area between the parabola x square is equal to 8y and straight line y is equal to 8 is square is equal to 8y. It means that there is even power of x, so it will be symmetric about y-axis. So straight line y is equal to 8. Here this is 8, so it will be like this. So this is the area that it covered. Here y is equal to 8 and here x square is equal to 8y. So here in this question we don't need to plot it because it's simple. From here we can get value of x because we are given with value of y. This is x square is equal to x square is 8. So x here will come out to be plus minus 8. So value of x here will come out to be minus 8 and here 8. Now integrate it from minus 8 to 8 y dx. This is also GATE CE 2016 2 marks question. So if we put y is equal to 8, so we will get this whole area. If we subtract this area of parabola from this area, then we will get this desired area. Have you understood? If we put y is equal to 8, then we will get this whole area. We have to subtract area of parabola from this equation of y is equal to 8 so that we will get this desired area. So write it in minus 8 to 8, y is equal to 8 dx minus value of y here is x square upon 8 dx. Now integrate it and you will get a result. So answer will come out to be 85.33 square units. So area of this common part will come out to be 85.33 square units. Now another last question. The value of integral of a function this along the straight line from point this and to this is, here we have to find equation of a line. Here we are given with 2 points, so equation of a line is y comma y1 m x comma x1. Here y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1, that I told you about equation of a line. This is also GATE 2008 ECE 2 marks question. Here suppose that we have taken this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2, this is x2, this is y2. So y1 is 0, x minus x1 is 0. Answer comes out to be y is equal to 2x. So put the value of y in this equation to get value of x. It will come out to be 160 x4. So this is in x form, so this is fx, so integrate it from 0 to x. This is fx dx. So this function is in x form, so it will be fx dx. Integrate it from 0 to 1. Now integrate it from 0 to 1. Now answer comes out to be 33 square units. So far we have covered all the application of integration. So in next class we will study about double integration. If you are liking my videos, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.